Hello friends, welcome back to Shreya's cooking channel. Today's recipe is strawberry filled bread toast. The ingredients we need for this recipe are bread 10 slices. Cut the middle of the bread slice into the desired shape. I used a round shaped box to cut the bread. Watch my video to see a sandwich recipe using this part of the bread once I post it. We need 1 egg, sugar 1.5 tablespoons, milk 4 tablespoons, turmeric powder 2 pinches, butter 2 tablespoons. To make the filling, I've taken 4 strawberries and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Let's see the procedure to make strawberry filled bread toast. Strawberry filled bread toast is ready. This is a very tasty recipe. We can make this using fresh strawberries. So please try this recipe and post your comments. And also please subscribe to Shreya's cooking channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.